You know, yesterday I was using Dermaroller. Today I'm experiencing dryness. And I'm pretty sure you feel that you're experiencing dryness after using Dermaroller. And I was like, I'm gonna do my routine, like always. Do not have dry skin or hydration routine, whatever you call it, after microneedling. I have my own hydration routine. And you know, I was like, I'm gonna share with my people over here so you can guys see if that routine can actually helpful to you to hydrate your skin after using Dermaroller. Cleansing balm, this is gonna be perfect duo for microneedling, cleansing, double cleansing, no washing, face in the morning, whatever. I don't know how I'm gonna name that kit. This is a cleansing balm that I have it. It's just a sample. I haven't released yet, so I'm just testing the samples. So what I do, I actually have, you see it's kind of thicker. I cleanse my face with this. This does not require alcohol at all. I don't have foundation, but I have tinted SPF, which has a little bit of tint. This is with Manuka honey. It's really hydrating. I know you're gonna be asking, when are you going to release this gel? Subscribe to our newsletter. We always announce on a newsletter to our subscribers the first, even before I ever announce on any of my social media platform. What I do after another cleanser, this is called double cleanse, when you're cleansing with two different cleansers, or you can cleanse with the same one, but I prefer first one to have a balm, like a more hydrating, breaking the oil, breaking the makeup and stuff like this, in case if you have it. Or me, I have like a tinted SPF is the same thing. And then another cleanser. It's funny thing that with both of those cleansers, you don't need actually water. And massaging this one for a half minute, and then I'm gonna wash it off and gonna come back to you guys. So here, what I do, you can use just one product. I'm using 3 products. Hydrating serum, which is hyaluronic acid serum, gonna hydrate your skin like crazy. The thing with the hyaluronic acid serum, you don't want to use alone, because hyaluronic acid serum grabs the moisture from the air and absorbs. If you are in a dry climate environment, most likely that's gonna come grabbing moisture from your skin. So you want to make sure that you're using something else with the hyaluronic acid serum. This is organic, natural, plant-based, 98% natural and 72% organic, beautiful ingredient. You want to make sure after Dermaroller for a couple of days you're using something natural. For other days, like you can use ordinary whatever, but for these days when you do Dermarolling and after Dermarolling, you want to use really high quality, good organic, natural ingredients that don't irritate your skin and are not synthetic, no fragrance, no dyes, no phthalates, no parabens, no nothing. Everything what you apply on your skin, it actually goes into your bloodstream. So right, you apply the hyaluronic acid serum. After that, you want to apply something hydrated. Vitamin C plus squalane. Squalane is the best repairing agent that you want to have. After that, repairs your skin. Might gonna be a little bit inflamed, redness. You see I have some redness going on, so you want to apply something hydrating after that. So I'm applying this one. Is really hydrating, plus this is antioxidant vitamin C. Can smell funky, smells funky, don't mind that. That's because it doesn't have any hiding ingredients, nothing bad, no fragrance, no fake ingredients to cover, to mask that smell. So now I'm gonna wait for a few minutes to soak in, and meanwhile I'm gonna talk about something else. You want to hydrate your body from inside. Collagen. You wanna get good quality collagen peptides. This is hair, skin, nails, muscle, joint support. Dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, keto, collagen, 12.5 gram peptide. This is from Real Wellness. I'm gonna link down below. This is incredible for your skin and joints. Hydrate your skin all the time. I'm taking daily. It's halfway gone already. As you see, you want to hydrate your skin as possible. You want to do that. This makes your skin hydrated. This you can use all the time non-stop, but what is a good thing, this is from JJ Virgin. It's actually Fortigel. They did a study with the Fortigel collagen peptides it's made from Fortigel. Fortigel, they did a study, blind study, where 150 people or whatever, they all noticed results in mobility, feeling better, feeling more energetic and stuff like this. So you want to do that. Another thing, you want to use high quality omegas. This is from Dr. Mercola. Do your own research. I'm using this krill oil. I love it. you need something from inside to nourish your body. So this is my recommendation from inside. Now, when my cream is already soaked in, this is the best moisturizing, more on the natural side, like sort of like a slugging stuff. I am against Vaseline. It's not healthy in the holistic world, in the natural world. Vaseline, petroleum-based Vaseline, it is not good. You hate me, you do whatever you want. In my mind, it is not good. Maybe for a short period of time, maybe, but for the extended period of time, for the long time, it's not okay. But what I love this moisturizer so much. This is from Roche-Posay. I don't know how to pronounce it. Extra dry skin, body and face. Lipikar AP Plus Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. I love this. Holy Spirit, this is incredible. This hydrates your skin like crazy. Like crazy. Look at this. And you want to hydrate your skin like crazy. Another tip. Do your facials only at night, never in the morning, because you don't want to go in the sun or sweat, and you don't want to do right before bed, right? Right now it's 9:32. I know I'm not gonna go to bed and fall asleep until 12. The best time to do your facial, moisturizing your skin, is 2 hours before the bed. And I rather apply more of this cream than less, but this cream hydrates like crazy. Oh my god, I'm having a craving hydration orgasm right now. I feel so good. Isn't this amazing how you girls feel? Or maybe guys too. I'm sorry, probably some guys watching as well. When you hydrate your skin, when you pampering your skin, and you know that is actually good for your skin, doesn't this make you feel more confident and more like loving towards yourself and just feel awesome? When you're confident, you actually can, you know, take more selfies, do more social media filming, you know, represent yourself better, feel better, stand your ground, have a higher vibration, and just feel other. Do you see how hydrated I am? Do you see? Let me zoom you it and show you how hydrated I am right now. Look how hydrated I am. You see? I'm a little bit red. I did microneedling yesterday with 0.75, but in a couple of days my skin is gonna be so good. Look how hydrated I am. Isn't this nice? Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you.